Hello, Neil Sargisian here, the owner and founder of FOMOstream Android TV boxes. In this video, I'm going to go over our server version 2017 12.15. That's our newest update, and I think a lot of you will like it if you're not already enjoying this. First, I'll show you how to download this really quickly. You want to go to your Android home screen, go to your apps, check your add-on manager, and I've actually got this installed with my flash drive. That's why it says 0 here. But when it's installed, the server version and local version are going to be the same number. If you ever notice that the server version and local version are different, then you'll know that there's a new version available. And you could just clear it away and install the new one. But it's actually best, I highly recommend, to just do a factory reset before you install it, just to make sure it gets installed on there properly. And it's easy, just click on factory reset here, and then click yes. It'll reboot the box. And then after it reboots, if you're on Wi-Fi, you'll just need to put in your Wi-Fi password in again before going back to the add-on manager. And then installing the server version update. So, an important note though is if the server version is ever blank or empty, it's not a good idea to clear your current version away, because you won't be able to install the new server version on there if we're working on the server at that time. It's rare that we're working on the server, but on occasion that happens. So okay, all right. So we're going to back out of here. We're going to go back to Kodi. I'm going to show you this new update and what it's all about. First, I'll point out that you're looking at Broomfield's weather. This will be set to your own weather, when you order a box, the rest fully set up. And now the asterisk in the middle, this is your favorites. If you click on that, it's going to take you right into your favorite section. I've stored a couple in here just so you can see that there's favorites in there. Backing out of that, I'll go over the main menu tabs really quickly here for you. First, I'll point out that underneath the green asterisk is some goodies here. Everything from workout videos, live weather, news channels. We got some holiday content here for you since it's around the holidays. 3D films, 4K movies, 24/7 TV, animal TV. We got some comedy, cooking channels, documentaries. We got some more fitness for you. A section for podcasts, true stories, and YouTube, and then World is international television and content. So those are some good subcategories underneath there. Under network, this hasn't changed a lot since our last update. These are all the main major networks, and that's all pre-recorded content underneath the network section. If you want to watch anything live, you want to go to the live TV section and find your content under one of these, whether it be Goodfellas or Holo TV, Made in Canada. There's a lot of good options there for you. Now under the sports category, you'll see that we've added some widgets top to bottom. The Sports Devil is a good one for finding live sports content, and at the top here, this is more pre-recorded content for certain sports niches. And then down at the bottom, towards the sub-menus, is even more sports add-ons that I've featured for you. There's a lot of good ones in there for you, covering everything you can imagine. So, moving on, this is the adult setup. If you would like the clean version and don't already know how to turn it into the clean version, reach out to us and I'll be happy to show you how to do that. So moving on, here's her place. This is for the ladies. This hasn't changed a lot since the last update, other than it's just been cleaned up and groomed better so that the majority of everything you click on is actually going to work. Same thing with the kids. We groomed the options here for you since the last update so that the majority of everything you click on will actually work for you. And there's a lot of good categories there for you. Everything from PBS to Toonmania, and a lot of these categories backlink still into Phoenix, which many of you can't get to unless you have a FOMOstream box that have these backlinks that are going to those categories that still work. So just another added benefit. The music category, same thing. I've set this one up specially for, personalized it a little further, but this bottom row or middle row here will be your local radio stations. And then at the top is your top albums. And then down below, again, is more subcategories, everything from MP3 streams to radio genres, SoundClouds there, concerts, a bunch of goodies there for you to enjoy. The tools section is some more widgets that will help you groom the box, clear your cache, if you want to clear the cache, and just to help it maintain your box. The system, it will help you personalize it further and help you to understand, what's in there and what you have in front of you. I've added a widget bar here that will help you with all of that. Moving on to the add-on section. Now you got the add-ons at the top here that you could scroll through, but if you click on add-ons, it's going to open it up further and show all your add-ons in alphabetical order, or at least the ones we're featuring for you. There's over 2,300 add-ons loaded. If you want to get to the ones that are loaded, go to the side panel here and then go down to get more. Alright, moving on. And then underneath add-ons, I added the quit and reboot if you wanted to do that. If you wanted to turn it off that way. I usually leave the box on, just the television off and on is how I do it. But all right, movie section. Great categories underneath here. You'll notice I added a actor section so that you could find your favorite movies just by searching your favorite actor and actresses. I guess they call them all actors now. Featuring Bob and Leash, that's a good one. Classic movies, Django, Elysium, Goodfellas. There's a bunch of good ones in here for you that we're featuring. Titan. Moving on to TV shows. By the way, if you click on TV shows or movies, that's going to take you right directly into Covenant, which is the most popular add-on for movies and TV shows right now. That might change soon. It will definitely change at some point, and we'll update the box to make sure that when these changes occur that you continue to have a smooth experience. So that's really it. Same thing under TV shows, a bunch of sub-menus underneath there for you to help you find your favorite TV shows. And that's the new setup. I hope you like it. And if you have any questions about it, feel free to reach out to me. Our website is FOMOstream.com. That's spelled FOMOstream.com. That's also known as AndroidMovieBox.com. So again, our support page is support.FOMOstream.com. I hope you're following it. Make sure you're following our fan pages. And thank you for your support. There'll be more videos to come. Have a good day.